subscribe for daily quizzes, and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some emerging technologies trivia. What is the process of designing biological parts? Is it A, bioengineering, B, biomimicry, C, genetic coding, or D, biodesign? The correct answer is D, biodesign. Which technology involves creating a digital representation of a physical object? Is it A, 3D printing, B, laser cutting, C, virtual reality, or D, 2D scanning? The correct answer is A, 3D printing. Which descriptor refers to the Internet of Connected Devices? Is it A, data cloud, B, AI network, C, IoT, or D, smart grid? The correct answer is C, IoT. What is the use of AI to simulate human-like interactions? Is it A, video game NPC, B, virtual assistant, C, automated email responder, or D, chatbot? The correct answer is D, chatbot. What emerging field focuses on decentralized applications? Is it A, blockchain, B, cloud computing, C, data mining, or D, machine learning? The correct answer is A, blockchain. What technology enables the secure sharing of information? Is it A, encryption, B, antivirus, C, firewall, or D, cryptography? The correct answer is D, cryptography. Which method involves editing genes to alter traits? Is it A, RNA sequencing, B, protein synthesis, C, CRISPR, or D, gene cloning? The correct answer is C, CRISPR. What is the process involving the conversion of waste into energy? Is it A, waste to energy, B, incineration, C, composting, or D, recycling? The correct answer is A, waste to energy. Which technology aims at improving battery efficiency? Is it A, solar cells, B, solid-state batteries, C, nuclear batteries, or D, Li-ion technology? The correct answer is B, solid-state battery. What is an example of using AI for visual recognition? Is it A, document sorting, B, facial recognition, C, image enhancement, or D, object tracking? The correct answer is B, facial recognition. What term refers to enhancing human capabilities using technology? Is it A, genetic modification, B, cybernetic enhancement, C, neural diversion, or D, biological adaptation? The correct answer is B, cybernetic enhancement. Which field seeks to identify diseases through digital platforms? Is it A, biomedical engineering, B, traditional surgery, C, medical research, or D, telemedicine? The correct answer is D, telemedicine. What framework uses a distributed ledger for transactions? Is it A, blockchain technology, B, peer-to-peer network, C, centralized database, or D, cloud computing? The correct answer is A, blockchain technology. What is the technology that automates manufacturing processes? Is it A, 3D printing, B, robotics, C, mechanical engineering, or D, AI programming? The correct answer is B, robotics. Which network allows peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries? Is it A, PayPal, B, credit card, C, cryptocurrency, or D, banking system? The correct answer is C, cryptocurrency. What combines biological and electronic systems? Is it A, biopsychology, B, bioelectronics, C, cybernetics, or D, biometrics? The correct answer is B, bioelectronics. Which AI application generates images and graphics? Is it A, text summarization, B, data analysis, C, generative design, or D, image recognition? The correct answer is C, generative design. Which form of innovation refers to solutions created outside traditional frameworks? Is it A, radical change, B, process optimization, C, incremental improvement, or D, disruptive innovation? The correct answer is D, disruptive innovation. What structure helps in developing complex biological systems? Is it A, cell wall, B, blood vessels, C, muscle tissue, or D, bioreactor? The correct answer is D, bioreactor. Which technology allows for remote medical consultations? Is it A, telehealth, B, homeopathy, C, teleconferencing, or D, medical robotics? The correct answer is A, telehealth. What term describes technology that mimics human thinking? Is it A, artificial intelligence, B, robotics, C, neural networks, or D, machine learning? The correct answer is A, artificial intelligence. What refers to software that automates legal processes? Is it A, tech support, B, legal tech, C, DocuSign, or D, AI contracts? The correct answer is B, legal tech. Which technology focuses on improving connectivity in cities? Is it A, blockchain technology, B, green energy, C, 5G networking, or D, smart city tech? The correct answer is D, smart city tech. What refers to the combination of physical and digital processes? Is it A, cyber-physical systems, B, virtual reality, C, Internet of Things, or D, machine learning? The correct answer is A, cyber-physical systems. Which technology uses blockchain for secure identification? Is it A, digital signature, B, SMS verification, C, centralized database, or D, self-sovereign identity? The correct answer is D, self-sovereign identity. What technology enables virtual experiences of real-world places? Is it A, virtual reality, B, augmented reality, C, 3D modeling, or D, GPS navigation? The correct answer is A, virtual reality. What method uses drones for delivering products? Is it A, drone delivery, B, bicycle courier, C, air freight, or D, robot transport? The correct answer is A, drone delivery. Which communication technology uses quantum mechanics? Is it A, classical communication, B, wireless networking, C, quantum communication, or D, optical fibers? The correct answer is C, quantum communication. What describes the use of technology to create microparticles? Is it A, genetic modification, B, microscale engineering, C, quantum mechanics, or D, nanotechnology? The correct answer is D, nanotechnology. Which system integrates machine learning into decision-making? Is it A, rule-based systems, B, AI-driven systems, C, static analysis tools, or D, data storage systems? The correct answer is B, AI-driven systems. What refers to digital platforms for social networking? Is it A, email services, B, social media, C, online forums, or D, blogging websites? The correct answer is B, social media. Which development in healthcare involves personalized treatment based on genetic information? Is it A, precision medicine, B, one-size-fits-all, C, generic therapies, or D, traditional medicine? The correct answer is A, precision medicine. What technology focuses on reducing energy consumption in homes? Is it A, renewable energy sources, B, fossil fuel heating, C, smart home tech, or D, solar panel installation? The correct answer is C, smart home tech. What field studies the ethical implications of technology? Is it A, data analysis, B, software engineering, C, tech ethics, or D, cybersecurity? The correct answer is C, tech ethics. Which technology aids in the conservation of genetic material? Is it A, climate modeling, B, DNA sequencing, C, gene editing, or D, seed bank? The correct answer is D, seed bank. What term refers to the use of technology for environmental sustainability? Is it A, fossil fuels, B, eco-billing, C, green tech, or D, urban expansion? The correct answer is C, green tech. Which emerging industry emphasizes the exploration of outer space? Is it A, astropreneurship, B, drone delivery, C, astrobiology, or D, space tourism? The correct answer is A, astropreneurship. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.